Hey gang, this is Steve from Powerwork Adventures. We are out today at Barrett Jackson. Woo! All right, we're about ready to enter. Come with me and we're gonna check out some new cars, old cars, cool cars. We're gonna check out everything 4x4, what's new in the industry. Always come here, it's exciting. All right, let's go. Hey guys, as you first walk in, this place is massive. If you haven't been to Barrett Jackson in Scottsdale, Arizona, it is huge. And the first thing we come upon is the Ford Bronco and the Ford booth, really. And they have a tour wild track here, as well as a Raptor. I'm not going to go into these too much, but these are the new ones that are for 2024. They look super nice. Not a lot of changes, so there's a lot of stuff out on the Broncos right now. And I'm going to do this in two parts. Barrett Jackson is so big that you have to do it in multiple days. I only had one day to go out there, and I'm going to do this in two parts, and I hope you enjoy this. So, yep, this is the Raptor. It's on black. Super nice, super expensive, very capable vehicle, and I think the Broncos are hitting the market now, and you're seeing more and more on the road. And yeah, these are just very good vehicles. I owned a Bronco. I have owned two of them, but yeah, very, very nice. All right, we're here to see the Earth Roamer. You can do some overlanding with this, I bet. Hey, this thing is huge. Looks like this thing has been, whoa, look at the space in here. Looks like it's been coated with a textured coating like you put in your bed liner. Look, there's a pass-through. Get in there to the back. This thing is huge. There's some storage space. Outback cooking. I think you have to be like 6 feet tall to be cooking out here. Oh, looks like it might be adjustable.
Do you work here?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
I'm just filming.
Well, you're very knowledgeable.
Whoa! Check out this Earth Roamer. Oh! Look at this sink. This thing is deep. This countertop. Oh yeah. Look at the bed. It's like a big old queen size up there.
Almost looks like a king size, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's huge. How's the shower? Can you stand up?
Yeah, you can.
That's the tiniest sink I ever seen. Oh, look at that. That's an awesome floor. Wow. A little fan. A little port. Look at that. Dude, you can do some serious off-roading with this. It's got military tires. This is nice. These 4Runners are reliable, for sure. Nice seats. Oh, soft. All these doors close nicely. Oh, wow.
Look at that. Nice. A lot of room back here. Nice. Wow, another offering. This is a prototype, y'all. What is it? What is this thing? This is cool. It's called the Land Cruiser. Here's the specs. Look at this. They're bringing overlanding back. Whoa. This is sweet. Look at this rack up here. Dude. I don't know what. This is way cool. Land Cruiser. All right. This is a Demon. Oh, geez. Look at that, and a Gladiator. Oh, look at that. Sorry. Oh my God, it's on 40s. Oh my God, like you need more power. Look at this Gladiator, y'all. It's only
220.
220.
Yeah. Like you have to change, squeeze that to get
Oh, okay. Check this out. Oh, this is from America's Most Wanted. Look at this Jeep. It's not a 392. It's a 6.21 liter supercharged, 840 horsepower. Wow. This thing is huge, dude. This is a motor that they put in here. Oh my God. They did it in all these different colors. How is that? This is crazy. Look at this build, man. From American Most Wanted. These things are jacked. 840 horsepower with a Demon engine in it. Crazy. I'll take 3, please. All right, I'm buying some gear, some merch from the Barrett Jackson booth here. Lots of cool stuff. And yeah, and they support the military. Let's go.
All right, guys, we got the Durango by Dodge. This thing is really nice. Lots of power and very sleek looking. Yeah, I wouldn't mind driving this to the mall. Nice. Go check them out. It's a sweet looking ride.
All right. Looks like a police car. I don't know, it looks fast. Look at this off-road build right here, guys.
We were out here first. It was like,
That's cool. Lights up front. Looks like there's a winch mount right there. And, oh, look at this guy. Whoops. Wow. This is sweet. This is Max Leader, Brothers Customs. Max Leader, Brother Customs. Oh, look at this build. How you doing? Good.
Hey guys, let me know in the comments if you take this thing out the trail or any of these special builds.
Oh, look at these moon wheels. Sick. Oh, you put a 5.0 in this thing? Yes. Oh, man. Look at that. They've been upgraded. They put the screen right here, so it still looks original. Love it.
Thank you.
This is their Colorado offering. Looks like it could be really built out. This is nice.
The link to the survey pops up. So there's no line this year, folks. So you can get the survey right now, as a walk around.
Look at that screen. Oh my God. That is huge. This is ZR2. Look at that. Oh, look at these. Rock slides. Nice.
You can take your performance driving to the next level. Make sure you check out.
Oh, look at Lexus getting into the overland business. Sweet. Look at that. Roof rack, Rotopacks. Lots of room in here. You're good. Look at that. Lots of room. Rock sliders. Wow. Dig the color.
All right, gang, that's about wraps it up for this video. Stay tuned for the part 2 of this Barrett Jackson 2024 out at Scottsdale, Arizona. There's so much to see, and we'll check out some of the other builds that people have done, as well as some cars that are going to go off across the auctions. And yeah, stay tuned and let's go check them out together. All right, guys, thanks for everyone that has tuned in. Thanks for everyone for liking and subscribing. And if you like the content, like and subscribe and hit that bell notification. Until next time, let's go check them out, and we'll see you later. Peace.